Hello everyone. This video demonstrates how to create a well-structured elastic knit to achieve a beautifully textured 2-string braid in the knit part. The pattern involves using 6 loops and 2 rows. To begin, cast on several stitches that are a multiple of 6, and add 2 loops for symmetry and 2 edge loops. The first row is on the wrong side. After the edge loop, knit 2 loops. We will work with the next 4 loops in pairs. Purl the second loop, make a yarn over loop, and purl the first. Purl the second loop, make a yarn over loop, and then purl the first. Again, knit 2, purl the second loop, yarn over, and purl the first. Purl the second loop, yarn over, and purl the first. The second row is on the right side. After the edge loop, purl 2 divider loops. Then purl 1. Knit 2 together through the back. Purl 1, and knit 2 together through the back. Again, purl 2. Purl 1, knit 2 together through the back. Purl 1, and knit 2 together through the back. Repeat these 2 rows until the desired length is reached. This creates an exclusive knit fabric with a distinct texture. It is easy, attractive, and unusual. It is ideal for a spring-autumn cardigan or a light sweater. I highly recommend it. If you found the video helpful, please click the thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you never miss a video. Click my Knit Knot Space Shop icon or the link in the description below the video to see my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift. Thank you for being a part of this, and I am excited to see you soon.